What if I'll tell you this beautiful video has been created in Claude Code with Remotion. This is a video with all motions. If you see uh, sky having stars, which is twinkling, and images are reflecting, and if you see sea is running with full flow. So this is a motion picture done in the Remotion and Code. This beautiful video reel has been done by Claude Code and Remotion. How beautifully you see. The color patterns and palettes has been chosen stunningly by Claude Code and Remotion. And you can see it is showing the 10 facts, unknown facts of Claude Code, and it is one by one it is coming. And this is fully automated. It has not been done by any manual work. It has done by Claude Code with help of Remotion based practices. How beautiful and how polished, and it is knowledgeous. You can automate your full flow. Yeah, let's dive into what's going on. It will take some time. Meanwhile, we will have to patiently wait for it. Let me quickly pull my Visual Studio as well for, let's check how far it is being showing there. Now if you see, our video recording has been completed. So I have asked to Ancient Gurukul and animated character, 10 facts about Cloud Code should be done, and flowing river, bird chirping flowing. Let's see what exactly this. And I've asked it for my reel, and as well as I asked for uh, YouTube. So if you see, this is he has gone and is speaking something at 1 minute, and this is a real preview. So it is rendering, and it is rendering like this. Okay, so now we'll go and modify. This is the creation part, and we have done, but here lot many things there needs to be done. Now after seeing this, are you still want to do manually? Would you like to edit the videos manually? Comment code if you want exact prompt. You see how beautiful and how elegant. So what we are addressing here, let us do a quick recap. So Cloud Code, write your video logic, re-emotional renders beautifully. You control everything with your code. And what are the real use cases? YouTuber, automate the channel, course creation, product demos, AI content agencies. Imagine scaling content without editor. So what next? You are trying it, and please forward to your friends and families who you can benefit, and you can help them to benefit. And this real polished videos you can straightforward upload to your YouTube channel and get benefited. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching it.